Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating the camera assets and locking them into place. Open Starter GUI and add a screen GUI, then put any menu frames inside it. Next, create a camera object or rely on workspace. Current camera. In Starter Player scripts, add a local script so the code runs on the client. Once done, set Reset on Spawn to false and change the camera's camera type to scriptable so your script assumes full control. This ensures the menu camera won't be overridden by player spawning. Now implement smooth transitions with tween service for a polished feeling. In your local script, require game get service, tween service, and define target C-frames for each menu state. Pick durations like 0, 8 to 1, 5 seconds for UI clarity. Create tweens with tween info. New and call play, and while the tween runs, disable character controls. Make sure to connect UI buttons to functions that stop existing tweens and start the next one so the camera finish by returning control to the player and cleaning up state. When the player exits the main menu, cancel tweens, set camera type back to custom, and reassign camera subject to the character humanoid or nil as appropriate. Make sure to test and play solo and on different aspect ratios. Mobile needs UI scaling adjustments. If you see jitter or stuttering, check that camera. Subject is nil during scriptable moves, and that network ownership isn't interfering. One key tip: lock character control while the menu camera is active to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.